Hello everybody, let's make a quick update. The onion, the scallion. Last time I recorded a video and I have to show you when it's still little. And later on my dad he planted in the row here. And let's me this is okay. Yeah, let's see that's right there. More over there, but I think I should show you this you know there you see that. And here I cut to get something to cook last I think 2 days ago, 2 or 3 I forgot, and now they come up another. See, okay, now they come up all these onions right here. Actually, it's a green onion. So you can see here, over there, and this side too, and over there is on another side of the house. So, but that's just a portion of them. When you buy a bag of the seeds, yeah, then they come up a lot. The scallion, young scallion, and then you just took about 3-5 of them and you blend under out like here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. This is you got a little more, 2, 4, 6, 7, depending on how it's feeling. Some is only about 3, and some 5, 4. And some you can see get more. Also depend on, because he just put on the soil there, so that depend on the location. You can see this here. This scallion is a big, healthy, but like some over here kind of a little slow. Like this one, it's just a small, and that's a small and skinny, not this, but this is a kind of close to each other, but this one look kind of more healthy than this one, but this is greener. And so for those of you want to spend more extra money to buy some garden soils, the result may be different from this, because this one he just took it out and he blended in the row like this. So that's why some blade, the nutrition from the soil is still there, so that's give us the healthy green, healthy scallions. But for other places, it's not big. See, this one is a small less. In all of them, I see this is small less. You see, it's not far from that. Here, there, but it's just in the middle. It's just a small. It's so small compared to the neighbor. See. Okay, that's for the scallion. The quick updates about the scallion. Thank you for watching. See you next video. So like I just showed you this one, I just use a knife to cut right there. You can see it. I cut right there, and I eat the top one. The bottom one is still here, and they pop up another young scallion. Okay, he has some tomato here too. Oh, I didn't see it. The long tomato. Oh, more here. Oh, if I don't record the scallion, I don't see this. Look at this one. See, tomato. The long one, I think it's a plum tomato. Probably he got seeds from the store-bought tomato. And snow peas. Okay, next video I update the snow peas.